Let's learn how to fix any Snapchat bug. If you open Snapchat app and it's just not working as normal, you can't add snaps, you can't have conversations, it keeps crashing, whatever it may be. Because of that, I'm going to show you get fixed that. First step you will do is to open any web browser you have on your device. In my case, that is Safari, because I have iPhone. Then on the search bar, go to type down detector Snapchat and search for it. In this search results, you need to go on first site and wait for it to verify as you human. This site is used for people to report a problem which they have. You have to scroll down until you will see this graph. This graph is specifically for Snapchat. Also, this site have graph for another apps. This chart shows a view of problem reports submitted in the past 24 hours compared to the typical volume of reports by time of day. It is common for some problems to be reported throughout the day. Down detector only reports an incident when the number of problem reports is significantly higher than the typical volume for that time of day. So what you need to do is to wait a couple of hours to Snapchat fix that bug, but if is not, that there is another method to fix your bug. For this method maybe is a problem on your side, so you need to on search bar type test my speed. Then Google shows you some sites you can use. I use this site testmy.net. That doesn't mean that site is best. So when you come on that site, scroll down until you see option called automatic speed test. And there send you on another menu on which you need to start a test by tapping on blue button. Now this site tests all your phone data, your internet connection, is you have some virus and a lot of things. And when this test is done, you can see results on that. If you have problems, this test shows you go to fix it, but if is not, like in my case, this last method will fix it. Open Settings app on your device and scroll little down to see General option, and when you see, go on it. Now on this general menu you need to go on option called iPhone storage. On this menu is all apps on your phone, and this menu shows you how much memory space apps use, so go to find Snapchat and click on it. Now you can see option called offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store, so on that way you will fix your problem. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.